Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian Cole. I'm excited to be here with you guys tonight. I just got in my hands Speed Society Car Club number 37 for May, and I'm excited to get into it. I'm excited to wear it. And before I do, I want to run through the whole drop with you guys, the thought process behind it, and the design, and ultimately reveal it to you. So, this one's a little fun, this one's a little punk rock, and it is titled Midnight Misfits. When I first started getting into car culture, got my first car, started to modify it, ultimately, I was also looking for like-minded individuals. It was something that I felt that I would align, and that we had a community of people out there that obviously did the same thing and have the same passion that you or I have regarding cars. And ultimately, if you're anything like me, my whole life revolves around cars. I eat, breathe, sleep. Any second in my mind that I have that is free, even for a millisecond, is filled with something automotive related. And when you get a good core group of people, you're in a car club, you're in the Speed Society Car Club, and you're in your local car club, a chapter, you go to Cars and Coffees, you go to car shows, you have a great group of people, and those people are there for you for the same passions, the same desires. They have your back. They're there to help you work on your car, fix your car. Ultimately, that is your crew, and you know, your racing crew, and in this sense of the word, the Midnight Misfits. This is your core crew. These are the guys and girls that you're gonna go out and you're gonna hit the streets late at night. You're gonna be able to call up, send a text messages, and say, hey, let's go hit it. Let's go for a drive. Let's go cruise PCH. Let's go on a canyon run. Let's go head to Vegas. Whatever it is, that is your core crew of Midnight Misfits, and you're gonna hit the open road and you're gonna have a great time together, sharing your passions for cars. So that's the main concept behind it. Let's get into the actual drop itself. And like always, we always create a insert, and that insert breaks down the entire theme and concept of this month's Car Club drop. You get 2 limited edition decals, and of course you get the collectible design shirt itself, exclusive, can never be purchased anywhere else on the planet, cannot be bought in the store. It is only for Car Club members, and that's it. These are the coolest shirts, the coolest designs, the best of anything we drop, and you will see just why on how far we go and how much thought process goes into everything that we do, and how cool and unique we try and create everything just for our Car Club members. So let's get into it. Here is the insert itself for Midnight Misfits. And like always, we have our 2 limited edition decals. The first one is the Speed Society Car Club, and this is a fun square one. And if you can see down here, we have no brakes till dawn. That is a theme that you're gonna see throughout this piece. Just keep that in mind. And the other decal is the Speed Society Car Club. And this one is very fun. If you guys are familiar with the Serial Killer, the skateboard brand, the era of punk rock skateboard, action sports, that is a fun throwback, which is gonna even go further into the actual shirt design itself. Now, Midnight Misfits just wouldn't be appropriate if we didn't use one of our favorite custom design shirts that we make, and that is in Midnight Navy. That's a heathered Midnight Navy, and it is the softest and most comfortable shirt you probably will ever have, and you can wear it with absolutely anything. So let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you the reveal of the shirt right now, starting with the front hit, and here we are. So you could see that the Speed Society Car Club logo is in a neon green with white. And again, the concept of this, of Midnight Misfits, hitting the streets, hitting the city at nighttime, the lights, the neon, that is the thought process, that's the vibe behind this shirt. And like always, on the right arm of the Speed Society Car Club, we have our limited edition number, that's SSCC number 37. And I'm gonna reveal the whole back of the shirt. And I want you to take this in and see if you see anything unique before I call it out. So, taking the punk rock vibe a little further, the theme of Midnight Misfits, the fun behind it, your crew, your friends hitting the streets at nighttime, going for a drive, and just loving life together. We've got the Midnight Misfits racing crew. And referencing punk rock, if you remember the Misfits, this is a fun design element and definitely inspiration for this. And that is down in Midnight Misfits, a racing crew. You see our Speed Society icon there. We've got Speed Society Car Club down here, and based off of that serial killer theme as well, we've got the SSCC number 37. Now, always wanted to take things further, doing more, doing the extra work. We have an Easter egg in here for you, and this Easter egg itself is behind the entire design. Do you see it? Did you even catch it? Did you even see that? We've got 37 behind this, and that is for Speed Society Car Club number 37. SSCC number 37, SSCC number 37, with the 37 behind that. You probably don't see it. It's gonna be an Easter egg when you get this in person, and you're gonna absolutely love it. Now, not to be outdone, I said, hey, let's even take this even further. So this one's gonna be hard for me to show elegantly, but I wanted to take it a little bit further. So we've got our awesome Midnight Misfits hit. Now, down here, we have No Brakes Till Dawn. All right, No Brakes Till Dawn. That is something that represents us, the crew, your midnight racing crew, hitting the streets, doing all the fun shenanigans that you guys do, that we all love to do, on that open road, hitting PCH, going for a canyon run, doing a midnight bomb to Las Vegas. That is the Midnight Racing Crew. Those are your people. That's your crew. We are Speed Society Car Club. We can't do this without you. Thank you to each and every one of you that allow us to do this and create these amazing drops and tell these stories and educate and have a great time and be able to represent each and every one of you. We love you. We can't do this without you. If you do not have a Speed Society Car Club Enthusiast membership, I suggest you sign up today. This is only going to be available for this month, and then it's gone forever, just like every other design. Speed Society Car Club, thank you again. Can't do it without you, and we'll see you on the next one. Boom.